Hello and welcome to Regrow Tech India. I'm your host, Dryrun, bringing to you yet another episode on the pattern programming. So, in today's episode, we are doing yet another interesting program. Let's go ahead and see what I'm talking about. So, this is the pattern that we need to print. It is actually pretty easy. All you need to do is put the line numbers first. So, let me go ahead and do that for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forget about the spaces for now. Let's look at the stars. Okay. Line number 1, 1 star. Line number 2, 2 star. Line number 3, 3 star. Line number 4, 4 star. My 3 does not look like 3. Line number 5, 5 star. Okay. Pretty sorted. I loop will go from 1 to 5. J loop will go from 1 to I. Okay, both in the positive direction. We are very happy with that. Space, uska bhi dekh lete hain. Space is simple. When line number 1, space was 0. Line number 2, space was 1. Line number 3, space was 2. Line number 4, space was 3. Line number 5, space was 4. So basically it will go till less than an I, not equals to I. This will go less than whatever is the value of I. As simple as that. If we have understood this much, easy peasy. So we will start a I loop. We will print a space that will go from 1 till less than I for the space. And we have already written for J, it will go from 1 till I. As simple as that. Let's go ahead and write the code. So we'll start by taking I equals N. So let's go. Oh, come on. What did I say? Did I just say I equals N? Oh my God, I'm going crazy. I meant N is equals 5. Then I said, I'm not going to say much because I've realized I talk nonsense sometimes. We'll say I will start from 1, it will go up till N. So I less than equals to N. I plus plus will go for, we want a space loop. So why not? Int S equals 1. S less than I, because we do not want it to go up till equals to I, and S also plus plus. And since it is space, so of course we will have to say system.out.print a space. So system.out.print, and because it has become ln, change that to print. Go ahead, write a space. Then after that, have a J loop. Int J equals 1. J should go up till I. So J less than equals to I. J plus plus. And this will print the value of J as normal. So system.out.print, not ln. So J. And lastly, after every S loop and J loop is complete, we need a new line. So system.out.println. Let's print it, and there we go. We have gotten 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was because I have printed the value of J and not a star. So we'll go ahead, erase J and put a star instead, and boom, that's our value. Okay, that's the loop we wanted. The loop was simple now. The normal, if I just do not print the space, let me show you this. This is something we have already done. If I do not print space, print J here. So see, we are getting 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If we are printing space, so let me remove this and let me close this for a second. Instead of space, let me print S. Okay. So I'm getting, first of all, there will be nothing in the first loop. Then 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we wanted for space. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. But this, so 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Instead of that, I was printing space. and this entire block will be uncommented here, and now together this is what we got, and this is what we wanted also. Perfect, right? I hope this is easy for you as well as much as it was for me. I am really enjoying all of these patterns and I really hope you do the same. The idea is to have fun with it. The logic can be completely different. My logic can be completely different from yours. You might go the other way. There is absolutely no problems in that as long as the output shows up properly, right? So just try patterns on your own. Don't just, rely on what your teachers are teaching you. Probably you are better than what your teachers are teaching you, right? I'm not saying that, the teachers are not teaching well. I'm just saying that you might have a different logic, and that's all, right? With that thought in mind, we'll go ahead and do the dry run as well. And I'm not going to do the entire dry run because one, the dry run will be way too big. Two, we have done so many dry runs till now. I think you have already got the hint as to what should we do. Control C. Let me try something. Yeah. Okay. So here what we are going to do is, first of all, n is 5. So we will also have n as 5. Then we have I as 1. So I starts with 1. It will go up till 5 because it will go up till n. Then we have S. S is 1. So right now S will be 1, but it will check the condition also before going inside. S is less than I. Now, if S is 1, I is 1. S is not less than I, right? Meaning the condition itself is false. If the condition becomes false, it will not run this loop at all. It will directly go to the next line, which is the for of j loop. So the j value is 1. The condition will be checked here. The condition is j less than equals to I. So either less or equal. So j is 1, I is 1. That is not less, but they are equal. So condition is still true. So it will go here on the inside and it will see whatever is there on the inside of the j loop, which is to print the star. So the first output is going to be to get the first star. Okay. And again, j plus plus will happen. So j will become 2. The condition will be checked. J is less than equals to I. So right now j is 2, I is 1. J is neither less than 1 nor equals to. Right? Condition is false. It will go back, it will print a new line. So the blinker comes here. Right? Now again, this is the curly bracket for the I loop. So it will go back and it will do I plus plus. 1 will become 2. And now it will again go to the S. S is, first of all, it will be 1. Then it will check the condition S less than I. So S is 1, I is 2. 1 is less than 2. Happy. Condition is true. So we'll print the space. So there will be a space. I'm making a box instead. Okay. And again S plus plus will happen. So S will become 2. The condition will be checked. S less than I. So 2 and 2, S and I both are 2. So it is equal. The condition becomes false now. It will go outside and it will see the next line, which is the j loop. Now j first value is 1. The condition will be checked, j less than equals to I. So 1 is less than 2. Happy. So it will go inside, it will do make a star. Okay. Then again j plus plus will happen, 1 will become 2. So the condition will be checked, j is less than equals to I. J is 2, I is 2. The condition will be true because j is equals to I. Okay, it will again go inside, it will print the second star, right? Again, j plus plus will happen, j will become 3. 3, mind you, is not less than or equals to I. So j is 3, I is 2. Now, 2 is less, meaning I is greater in this case. I is smaller, right? It should be, what am I saying? Let me do that again. So I was trying to say is that j is 3, I is 2. The condition is j should be less than or equals to I. But here j is greater than I, hence the condition will be false. Oh, I got that right now. So the condition is false, it will go inside, it will go outside the for loop, it will print a new line. Again, the blinker will come here. Next, system.out.println. There will be the new line. We have done that. Okay. I plus plus will happen. So I will become 3 now. Okay. And then the S will go from 1 till 2 because it will go up till less. So two spaces we will get and 3 stars we will get because J loop is going to go from 1 till I. So 1, 2, 3, right? In the similar fashion, the rest of the pattern will be created. I hope this is easy for you. It is actually quite simple. All you need to do is understand a little bit of logic. And that's literally what is the case with the rest of the pattern programming as well. Again, I'm, reiterating what I've already said. Your logic might be completely different than my logic, but your answer might still be correct if you're able to get the right pattern. Okay. Probably that could be the case is that, your logic might be a little more complicated. My logic would be easier, or sometimes my logic is a little complicated and yours is easier. So you do you, right? You do whichever is easier for you or whichever you understand the best, right? Do not let the pressure of the world do you in, right? Do whatever you are happy with. Other than that, if you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Have a great day ahead.